angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is what is coming next in your love, work, and career. Yes, friends, for this week from the 29th of June to the 5th of July. Oh my god, friends. Oh my god, this has been such an interesting year. Oh my god, I can't believe we are finally into July. I know you all are also waiting what will happen next. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, do like and share, friends. Also, this is a charms reading like always, friends, and this is an important week, friends, so make sure to watch this reading. And there is a lot happening astrologically, so it's a big week for the all of us on this planet Earth. So friends, before starting, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across it, you can watch it, even though it is for this week, but you can still watch it. It will help you out. You can come back and confirm. Many people confirm once the week is over, they come back and confirm that this thing happened. So thank you so much. Friends, do join us on Instagram, do subscribe there, click the bell icon here on YouTube so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this join if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. So relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1. This beautiful, sorry friends, blue shirt. These are super cute. I think they are Father's Day something, ornaments or something, I don't know. This blue shirt. Option number 2, this silver shirt. Option number 3, this purple shirt. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below so you can directly skip there and choose your pile, or you can also watch the entire reading, friends. That no problem in choosing more than one pile. I think there is a chance that you may choose, you may feel drawn to more than one option, because this is for the week, so energies may coincide, so you may drawn to one or two or more than two piles. For those who chose option number 1, let's see. For those who chose this beautiful shirt, electric blue shirt, you are on for party, isn't it? This is such a party thing. Let's see. This is your romance angels messages. This is your advice for the week. Let us see how your week will be. Let's see that. Wow, Ace of Spring. That's beautiful. The Princess of Winter. You could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Queen of Summer. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. 5 of Summer. Okay. 4 of Winter. And again the Prince of Summer. This is interesting, friends. This is interesting. I feel you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or our viewers could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel, friends, this week you are definitely trying to, you are feeling a little sad. I don't know why when I started this, because this is the party vibe here. This first is this electric blue is like very party thing. So I think you're feeling a little disappointed in life or in a relationship or regarding a career situation. I feel you are a little upset when you start the week, or when you are watching this reading, you are like, oh no, I can't feel happy, or you are a little disappointed. Some things didn't go as you were expecting. I feel you may also feel a little emotional this week and sensitive this week, because you know you have too much of water energy, like this Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the sun is in also in Cancer, and there is you know the eclipse in Capricorn. So this is an important week. I feel you may feel a little sensitive this week. You may feel a little like you are right now when you are watching, you may feel you are unhappy or disappointed. Some things didn't go as you were planning they would. I also feel you are waiting for some communication, but you are being like, you feel a little unhappy there. I feel someone is making you wait this week, or you may make others wait for you, especially in love. If you are waiting for a person to message you or express their emotions, I think this person is taking all their time, and it's kind of frustrating for you because they are taking so much of time to reply back or not reply back to you. So it's frustrating, you know, it's frustrating for you. You feel a little disappointed. I definitely feel there is a chance of a love romance or an offer of love or some sort of a new friendship or connection, even if it is just for this week, or like someone random you talk with, or reconnecting with an old friend of yours. It may happen. It will bring you some happiness, some joy. I think most of the week you are trying for a new start, and that is going to actually happen when the eclipse happens, the full moon eclipse on the 5th. That is when you are going to feel a lot of energy, a lot of power. I think you may also have your birthday this week, or someone you love or someone in your family has their birthday this week. So you know there is a vibe of party, there is a vibe of celebration, but you need your time apart. I think you are not in a very social mood. You want to take some time for yourself, for your health, for your you know, for understanding what life is, or how things, what you need to do ahead. This is that week. I see you planning. I see you doing a lot of planning, friends. You are planning for your future. You are planning for a new start. I think in love also. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You know, this person is trying to plan a new start with you. They are planning to make a move towards you, or you know, but it may not happen this week. It will happen in the next week. I feel like this is the planning week where you and that person both are planning. I also feel like you could be connecting more with friends, with family, and you may face some issues or competition within sisters, or like within brothers or sisters. Sorry to say that, but yeah, maybe you know your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, or some friend or colleague may challenge you, or like they miss you because you're extra sensitive. You know, you are extra sensitive this week, but you are also very creative this week. You are also very much full of ideas about your work. But you know, others' opinion may matter to you. You may feel a little sensitive. I feel you desperately need a new start in your love life. I think it is going to happen. All is not over in this relationship. It is going to work out, but I feel it will happen more in the month of later. I feel like, sorry, friends, I just bumped my camera. Sorry for that. I feel this new start is going to happen like by next week, not now. It is in the process. Something will shift this week for you, and it will happen, manifest for you by next week. I also feel if you are married, definitely you will be feeling a lot of passion towards your husband, your wife, or you want to ignite the passion in this marriage or relationship. I also feel if you are a student, don't forget we will look at the charms. Yes, so we'll get more details. You could be dealing with someone, I think, like you could be dealing with someone who is your younger than you, or who is slightly immature or arrogant this week. You know, some lover, some ex-lover, a twin flame, husband or wife, or a relative of yours is like a little immature, egoistic. So that needs to be handled. I think in work, if we talk, there's definitely you're waiting for messages to come your way. I think you're waiting for a new job, or that job letter, or you want a new job but you feel disappointed because of the current world situation. World is like, you know, you feel like the world situation is affecting your career. You need some, you're waiting for something to happen in your job, your career, life path. I think you will have that clarity of what you need to do and where you need to go. I also feel messages are coming your way regarding work and education. Definitely important messages are going to come your way, and they are going to make you into planning. I see some of you are planning the next steps because the information has come to you, the idea has come to you, or that job call or that interview call is coming to you, or they have emailed you by this week. So you will start planning on the next steps. I think this week you should focus a little on your health and emotional and physical health, because I do see you will be you want to take charge, you want to take action, but the energy is trying to stop you or like make you go slow. You know, it is the Saturn and Cancer, Capricorn, Saturn, Cancer, Capricorn, and the moon also. So it is like heavy energy. A part of you wants to stay where you are, a part of you wants to move ahead. So there is this contrast, you know. So just be patient with yourself. I know it's very difficult, but I think it's necessary for you this week. If you are a student, definitely you are working, you are on the right path. Connect with your creativity, connect with your art, music. That is going to help you to stay motivated. I also feel in your career, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will help you. There is definitely you will come out of the disappointments of the past, both in your love life and career, and also in health. You are going to come out of these disappointments and clarity will come your way. Let's see your advice, then we'll go into the charms. Wow, yeah, number two, see, stay receptive, friends. This is the perfect week for staying receptive, staying open. There is a lot going to happen behind the scenes for you, and a lot you will feel extra sensitive, you know, very motherly, very caring, very nurturing, very loving. If you are not in a relationship, you will really want to love someone, you know. You will ache for it, like I need a person, I need that person. If you are already having a person, you want them now, you know. It's that energy of love. I feel, yes, if you are single, there is a chance of a new person or a soul friendship coming your way, definitely, or someone that you know will, you know, a conversation will happen. I see you talking on the social media or on phone, which will bring you happiness, love. Let's see your romance angels messages. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. Yeah, see, definitely, friends, you should stay light-hearted this week. You should take some time, not take so life seriously, not take life too seriously, and enjoy a little bit, and don't take any past hurts or pains. Just try and enjoy. That's the main message here, you know. I think others will like to flirt or talk with you or get to know you. That is also there. So let's see your charms, friends. Let's see your charms. Option number one. Let's see your charms. For option number one, how this week will be for option number one. Wow, I got lots of charms for you. So the letters are M, E, and I, and S. So yeah, see me. You should take some time for yourself, friends. There is this word me, so it is important. And Messi, maybe some of you are Messi fans, football fans. So maybe you should spend some time taking. Also, fitness is important. Taking care of your body is important, or doing something that you love, like watching your favorite movie, or thinking about the people you like, or manifesting, those things. Focus on yourself, focus on yourself. And there is also M, E, I, and S. And let's see the fish. Fish is also about Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces this week. I also feel this is about you wanting emotional connections, and someone else also wanting that connection. See, there is this lip charm. Definitely someone feels very passionately about you, and they will express that to you. I think this person is making you wait. They are making you wait. You are not in contact with this person, but they definitely like you. They also feel a very passionate they also feel very passionately about you, and they want a new start with you. The windmill is here, so winds changes are coming, friends. Positive changes are coming your way. You should trust and not give up. Number 15 might be important. Number 26 is important. 26 could be a birth date also for some of you. You have the lucky boot, so definitely I feel luck is with you and happiness is with you. You also have the red car, so you feel very passionate. Your passions are very high, and also your emotions are very high this week. Yay, friends. Let us see what else. There is this flower. I think someone may gift you something, or you may gift someone something, or some message is coming your way, which is like a token of love. You also have this headphones, so maybe some of you are waiting for news or signs from the universe to help you. I think you should keep watching our channel Magic Vans Tarot, so you will get all the messages and signs. I think also you could be dealing with an artist, a musician, a poet, a writer, a songwriter, singer, or there is some song message that someone may send you, or you may hear a lot of music this week. If you yourself are creative, you may want to learn music. You also have this beautiful feather, this feather. This reminds me of messages, the feather pens. I feel messages are coming your way. They are coming very quickly, especially regarding work. You are worried about work. The messages are coming for work. You also have the angel wings. So definitely, friends, you are very protected. You have nothing to worry about. If you are worried about a connection, relationship, don't worry. It's all going great, Even if it's a little pause right now, trust that angels are watching you. You also have Lord Ganesha. So, yes, friends, luck and prosperity are coming. Some of you are worried about career, that your career, money issues. Yes, Ganesha is with you. Ask Lord Ganesha to help you. There is also the cross with the rose on it. See this? This is beautiful. Definitely, friends, something destined or fated will happen or is already happening in your relationship. If you have any issues regarding love life, destiny is at work, friends. Destiny is at work. This is like a teardrop to me. This little thing, eye drop, this is like a teardrop. I do feel you may feel a little emotional this week. You feel a little emotional. This is the extra bead. So yeah, I feel like this reminds me of binoculars. So you are waiting, or you someone is stalking you. Someone is stalking you, they want to know what's going on with you, or you are stalking someone, you want to know what's going on in their life. There is also, you can also watch the pick a card I did a few days back. Who is stalking you? You can watch that. I think you are trying to figure out what's going on in someone's life. This is like peace. This is for peace. You should focus on peace this week. Let's see. Seer, wow. I think you are looking for a spiritual master, or you are looking for information, a relief in your life. It is coming, friends. It is coming. Trust. X, see, someone from your past is important, and X is on your mind, or they will return back, or some information regarding them. Mouse. Mouse is like taking life, being flirty, staying happy. Mouse are very curious also. They like curiosity. Moon, again, see, the moon cycles. Moon is about emotions, cycles, motherhood. Some of you may be worried about being pregnant or not getting birth, or not, issues about motherly issues. You might be worried about that. One of your breakthroughs are coming, important messages are coming. December might be important to you, friends. Maybe as the month of birth, or birth date, December birth date, or maybe something that you are trying to manifest will happen in the month of December. So this is a great week, friends. Just stay light-hearted, and I wish you a very, very happy week. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. Hi beautiful angels. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful sparkly white shirt, let us see what's going to happen for you this week. This is your love advice. This is a charms reading, friends. Yes, I have my bag of charms here, and this is an important week. This is your advice for the week. And this is an important week as Saturn will be shifting in its signs. Saturn is retrograde, but it will be shifting signs into Capricorn, and there is also a full moon eclipse in Capricorn, and Sun is in Cancer. Oh my God, lots happening, friends. A big week for the world, for consciousness. And yes, so let's see how things will be for you this week. Wow, 9 of Summers, that's interesting. The Chariot, wonderful. Justice, Ace of Autumn. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. And the 7 of Spring and the 9 of Winters. Wow, friends, this is a very, very important week for you, and I'm glad you chose option number 2. We'll see with the charms, but I feel, wow, you are working very hard, pile number 2. I don't know what you are working on. You are working a lot on many, you had been putting a lot of hard work in some work or love life. You are working a lot, and you had been working since maybe like you are doing a lot of hard work, efforts. I see efforts, long-term efforts you had put into something, relationship, love life, career, education, and oh my God, you are little worried. You start the week right now also, you may be feeling anxious, worried, sleepless night. You are feeling like things are not going to turn out the way you feel they should turn out. It is like you are worried. What will happen? What will happen? What will happen? I have worked hard. What will happen? What will happen? You are worried because of the world situation. But rest assured, friends, rest assured, your wishes, your dreams, your hard work are going to pay for you. Your wishes are going to come true. Your hard work, your patience, all those things will be rewarded either in this week or in the coming months of this year. This is an important week, friends. Very, very important week for you. You are going to get the justice that has been missing from your life. Some of you are really unhappy right now because you feel life is unfair. You feel you keep working, but it doesn't give you what you want. Maybe it is in love that you worked on a relationship, but it didn't work out. And you feel sad. You feel like, what happened? You know? I feel justice is going to come, and this is the number 8. This is the card of Saturn, and Saturn will be shifting signs in retrograde motion into Capricorn. Friends, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this week, or you could be these sun signs. I definitely feel, friends, your hard work is going to pay off. Justice is going to come into your life. And this is the week where things start to turn in your favor. It is like this, knob turning. Things start to turn in your favor. Your hard work, your success, your patience paying off. And it is possible you may not see the results this week, but it will come in the coming months. We'll see with the charms also. You are trying to manifest more money, I feel like, or more love into your life, or money, or some new job. Yes, friends, it is going to come your way. It will be from a different city or a country, or it may be a job that requires a little change on your part, but it will be a life-changing opportunity for you. I feel in relationships you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel this person has been trying to run away from you. This person is trying to come back in your life, but they keep running away, keep coming back. It is like this person is trying to play with you, or they just are like you are with a twin flame that's in a runner and chaser stage, or something is happening. This person keeps running away from you. I don't know why. We'll confirm with the charms, but I see that you had been very patient with this person. You have given them chances again and again, but I feel justice will happen this week. Something will change and shift in this connection. I also feel you will find this happiness and relief. Some of you are worried about this connection. This connection or this person has made you very anxious, or they have, you feel anxious, you feel worried about this connection or your love life. But please rest assured, things are going to change for you, and in a positive direction. This person, someone is going to come in very quickly to message you something. It could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. This person may visit your city, your country, or they may message you or video call you or something. It will be a very quick, very sudden, a very quick and sudden thing. They might offer you something, like let's do some work, let's collaborate, if you are colleagues, if you are co-workers, or let's do something, let's are you free, let's meet for the weekend, or something like that. I think it will make you very anxious, but you may worry, is this person's intentions, are they going to come in and run away again? That is your question. I feel like, I think justice will happen. You will know what they are going to do. You will know, and you will be very, very bold in your expressions this week. If this person is you are going to say your truth to them, friends, and I think this is the destiny. Some of you need that person to come back and say that sorry, and or say that, hey, I want to see you, I miss you. It is your destiny to hear that, friends. It is karmic justice for you, for this person to come back and say those things to you, and you listening that, it will make your heart happy. It will give you a relief also. If you are single, I see most of your focus will be on work, and on, taking care of your hair, your body, your fitness. Most of your focus will be on making yourself more bold, more passionate, and making long-term life changes, life path. You're working on your life path. Some of you want to travel. You might be making a list of where all you want to travel if the world situation changes. So where all you want to travel, or maybe you want to study abroad, or maybe you want a job in some different city. So all those plans, you will be thinking about it, and you will feel like yes, you can achieve them, because things are starting to shift. Your luck is going to shift. If for work, definitely you will find some relief, some hope, maybe a new job, or maybe some payment is coming, some extra money is coming. Or if things were stuck in your job and career, they will be moving forward, like progress will happen. Wow, definitely. I see, if you are married, there can be a chance of, like, you feeling a little anxious, you feeling a little, there can be some arguments between you and your husband or wife, or with family members, because of the energies. The energies are a little strong, so ego issues can happen, but I see nothing will affect you much, because this is like, you have the power, friends. You have a lot of power this week. Things are going to move ahead for you. Luck is with you. Your wishes will be coming true, and justice will happen. There is some situation which you had been very patient and you have worked very hard, and now your justice will happen. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look into the charms. Oh wow, happy, happy. Number 26, I feel 7, 18, and 26, 20, 24 are important for you. So this is the week where you're gonna feel like, yay, finally things are moving, things are going my way, yay. So there will be something that will happen, something will happen that will make you very happy. Let's see your romance angels messages. It's safe for you to love, open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of love. So definitely, friends, someone will share their emotions, the feelings they were hiding. They are going to come and talk to you and tell you all those things. You may also share with someone your feelings, with friends or someone your feelings. You know, if you are single, you may meet a co-worker or a colleague which likes you, or which is quite friendly, a friendly connection. Let's see your charms, friends. Let's see your charms. For option number 2, how this week will be. For option number 2, how this week will be. Alright. Okay. Wow, lots of charms came out. I think this is an important week for you. Let's see. L is important. E is here. There is D. There is N. There is T. You also have the dice number 1. So maybe, I'm keeping them here for a while. So just because they will keep swimming. Wow, number 1, maybe January is important, or 1 is the date or birth date for someone you know, or maybe in one day, 1 hour, someone is going to message you, or some news or information is going to come your way in the next 1 hour or one day. Wow. Lent is here, so maybe you have given money to someone and it is going to come your way. Money that you had given, or if you have money issues, money is coming your way. Lent, money given, money coming back. What else can you make? 10, so maybe 10 is important for some of you. Maybe someone is a lieutenant, a major, someone is from army, navy, forces, police. You are dealing with someone who is a doctor, a physician, or someone who is an essential worker. So you are waiting for someone, like you're dealing with someone who is in the army, navy, forces, doctor, bankers, all those things. It also reminds me of Delhi, so maybe New Delhi or New York is important, because I feel it's like, I don't know why, I keep getting New Delhi, New York is important for some of you. There is also the teacup and the teapot, so definitely meeting with friends or family, or going out for a business deal, or talking about that is important for you. Taking care of your heart, or something will happen that will make you feel like, yeah, happy, like this, happy. Your heart is being valued, you are being valued. Happy, happy. You also have this card, happy, happy. So definitely something will happen that will make you happy, that will make you feel blessed. You also have the airplane, and you also have the chariot. So yes, issues regarding traveling or messages, news coming from far is important for you, friends. Definitely messages in a bottle. I think someone wants to share something. It is not just, I think if you are keeping your emotions to yourself, because there is this Nine of Swords. You are keeping your anxiety, your emotions. You are not telling anyone how you are feeling. So it is time, this take time this week to talk with your friends. Maybe call them out for like coffee or something, or just chat with them. Share your feelings. This is about someone will share their feelings, or you will share or message someone. We'll talk about the beads later. We also have the Cinderella shoe. So definitely someone is running away from this connection. They are going to come towards you. They like you. They feel like you are the Cinderella to them, princess to them. You also have this feather. So yes, divine signs are going to come your way. Signs regarding your life path and your career, your what you say, education, they are going to come. Definitely I feel you could be worried about a third party, like why this person behaves in this way, are they in a third party, what is happening. So you, some worry is there. So this represents me, to me, worry. Tree of lives, yeah, you are connected, you are very connected to someone, friends. It could be your twin flame. Don't worry, this connection is going to get better. There is hope. There is also hope. You should keep your faith, because you have this, the, what you say, the cross is also here. So keep your faith. And messages, the message is going to come, messages regarding money. Messages of love are going to come your way, friends. You also have the numbers 23. 23 might be important for you. 20 might be important for you. And 14 might be important, friends. So number 23, 20 and 14. And this is about passion. You are very passionate, friends. You feel impatient actually this week, because you want, this Nine of Swords is like, ooh, when will things move? Something that's not revealed to you will be shown this week. Things are in dark, justice will happen. You feel like, you know, things will shift, friends. This is like justice. You don't know it is going to happen, but it will happen for you. And this is also about communications. Orange bead, the white bead is about peace, moon, emotions. This is about Neptune, spiritual wisdom, friends, spiritual wisdom. Let's see your cards. You have a lot of charms. Let's see. The entire plate is filled with charms for you. One of coins, ace of coins. You also have the ace of coins here, the card and the charms. This is interesting, friends. Yes, something regarding work is going to come your way. Maybe some hope, some faith regarding work or money is coming your way. 10 of your difficulties are getting over for you, friends. One of cup, yes, not just love, but ace of cups. Love is also coming your way. You are lucky in luck, in career, and in love, both. Yellow might be important for you, friends. Yellow is also here, so wear more yellow. Two of yours, I think someone keeps running away from you. They are in double minds regarding you. Should they come towards you or should they not? Healer, I think you are some of you who chose option number 2. Your life purpose is healer, being a healer, going into Reiki, being doctors, physicians, that, or you will find some sort of some healing this week. Maybe it is your life purpose, for others it is like healing coming your way. And 3 of coins, definitely this person wants to work with you, friends. 2 of cups, they want to offer you this friendship, this love, this commitment. Whale, being large hearted. Whales are like large hearted, they are very spiritual, they are very huge also. I think this is also, whale is also like a worry which may seem, a situation may seem too difficult right now to you, like hope is not there. But friends, remember, justice is with you. Saturn is working for you. I feel Jupiter is also working for you. Cows, focus on taking care of yourself. Cows are maternal, very very loving. Family, yes, family, this person could be from your family, or there is some issue regarding families, like they are not letting you marry them or something. 7 of cups, this person doesn't choose you, friends. They keep getting confused. Art might be important. This person could be an artist, singer, musician, writer, or maybe they will make some art for you. Dreams are important. You are connecting with dreams through dreams. 4 of coins, again this person makes you wait and wait and wait. It's frustrating, I know, snake, but things are going to change. Snakes are about transformations. Snakes are about new start, leaving the old behind, welcoming the new. And that's now for your week, friends. Do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. That was a long read. I am so tired, like my throat is like, ooh, I need some water now. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, friends, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye. Hi beautiful angels, this is Mystic C, and for those who chose option number 3 for this week, let's see what's coming next for you. If you chose option 3, this beautiful sparkly shirt which is purple, this is your romance angels messages. This is the advice for you for this week. I also have charms. Let's see, friends, how your week will be. This is an important week because we have the lunar eclipse. The Saturn is also shifting signs, and there is a lot happening this week. So let's see. Lovers, yay, very nice. And Princes of Autumn, the Page of Earth, the Moon, interesting. Wow, you could be dealing with a twin flame. The Empress, see? Life experience, oh my god. The King of Spring, oh my god. Friends. Let's see what's happening. I feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius this week, or you yourself are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, friends. I also feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, very strong Taurus and Virgo energy. Friends, I have to say something. If you, I think you had a tower moment with a person or with a relationship recently, a breakup, or something. Some news came to you regarding a person. You had an argument with them. Maybe some of you had a breakup with this person, or this could be your twin flame. I feel this is an important connection in your life. Friends, I have to be honest here. Maybe, if this tower movement has not yet happened, I feel it has for 90% or 80% of you. This tower, this breakup, this argument, this conflict has already happened in the past, and some sort of a resolution will happen this week. But for others, if this has not happened, it may happen now. You may, I think you are feeling very, very strongly your person. It could be your twin flame, it could be your ex lover, ex husband or wife, or the person you are right now with. It is like you feel they are hiding something from you, and it can irritate you. You know something about this person that they don't know about them. They may be hiding something, or you feel they are hiding something from you. They are not telling you something, and you are going to ask this person out. What are you hiding? Why are you hiding? I feel this person, if you already had a tower movement, a breakup, or you are in no contact with this person, they are going to watch your social media. They are keeping an eye on you, and especially this week, this person is very attracted to you, friends. This person feels very drawn to your energy. This person feels like you are the queen or the king, and they want to know you, friends. They want to connect with you. They are keeping an eye on you. I feel this person sees like you are the perfect person, and they don't know why they let you go. They don't know why they let you go. So maybe this person is keeping an eye on you, and if you have no, they are hiding something from you. What are they hiding? They love you. What are they hiding? They can't live without you. What are they hiding? They want to come towards you. What are they hiding? They are stalking you. They are keeping an eye on you. Even if they have blocked you on social media, friends, maybe they have friends which are keeping an eye on you, or maybe there you have common friends which talk about you. This person is definitely talking about you, or you will be talking about this person. Absolutely, for sure. You are going to feel their dreams, their emotions. You are going to get a dream about this person, this connection. I feel this is an old connection, like a 1 year, 3 years, 6 years, 9 years old connection. And this person, and this is, you are going to dream about them, or they are dreaming about you. My God, this person is like, you guys are very connected, and this week this connection is going to reach to a new high. There is this promise of love. Maybe this person will try to connect with you. They want to see whether you are single or whether you are dating someone, because they want to offer you love. This is your twin flame, or this could be someone you have a very strong telepathic connection. This person could also be your co-worker who likes you, who feels very inspired by you, or someone that is in your social circle. They like you, they feel very inspired by you, but they don't know how to come towards you. If you are married, friends, if you are married, I'm sorry to say, be careful. There may be an argument happening, because the energies are very strong this week. So, and you chose this beautiful lavender. So lavender is like, keeping lavender is like, you should keep your how do I say this, keep your patience, keep your uh, you know how do I say this, like, keep your eyes open, stay calm, stay patient, because there is this energy of arguments, or some sort of power struggle happening, ego issues happening. So stay careful. Your love is very pure. Your love and marriage is very sacred. This marriage is very beautiful, but emotions will be very high this week. Some of you could also become pregnant this week, or you may actually connect with some part of you which was some hobby, some life goal, or some hobby that you lost touch with, or you never thought you were capable of doing. You will find new treasures in yourself. I also feel this week, let's talk about work. I think work, you will be very creative. You're very creative. You want to study more, you want to gain more knowledge, you want to learn new things. You also could want to change your job, or you may leave a job because you're frustrated, or there may be some money issues happening. Be careful of us, be careful, friends. I think check the payments or documents that you are doing, because I feel things are there is this tower movement there, friends, in work. So be careful. Things may not remain things. If your intuition tells you something, go for it, friends. Believe it in the first, because you have this lavender. It's about intuition. Trust it. Also, if you are in some sort of a creative work, even if you are not into creative work, your creativity will be very, very strong. You will feel very creative and very passionate towards your work. You will also want to take more time for your work and your hobbies. Your Some of you will be cooking also. I see that. If you are a student, definitely you will be taking more time to learn new things, expand your knowledge, all those things. Some of you could be getting a new job offer, or like a business deal, or some of you could be meeting new people which will later on help you. Some of you could be meeting this new person, or this person that is your ex or senior or a junior, like a boss. This person will help you in your career later on. This is a very powerful week for you, friends. You should stay connected. If you are looking for pregnancy or something like that, there is a very strong chance, so stay careful. Also, you will feel very passionate and very, very bold, friends. It's like you want things your way. So let's see what is the advice for you for this week. Thinker number 44. So you will see a lot of number 444, 333, 222, and you will be thinking a lot about why this happened, why that's happening, or what is hidden, what is not being revealed to you. Or you may be dealing with a person who thinks a lot, but there is a promise of romance coming your way. Let's see your romance angels. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Yeah, so definitely you may have thought that someone from your past was your soulmate, but maybe someone new is coming your way. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I feel like, friends, there will be choices this week for you in love. So you should, or there will be more ideas to what you believe. So keep your mind open, keep an open mind. This is like the week of learning information. Catch every information. Let's see your charms, friends. Let's see your charms. This is like a big week. Let's see what's going to happen for option number 3 for the week. For option number 3. Wow, let's see. Oh my god, look at this. This is the wedding ring charm, and it came in my finger. Oh my god. Some of you could be getting married, some of you could be getting a partnership or a friendship offer. Ooh, this is interesting. Or maybe you are already married, but you want to bring more passion in that marriage. Let's see. H, O, how, and house, and again an H and E. So the letters are how, HOWSHE. So it's like how is she? How is she? That's the word I'm forming here. So someone is thinking about you, friends. They are thinking constantly and non-stop about you. Maybe they want to know how are you doing? How is she? How is he? How is he or she doing? Or you want to know how is that person doing. So that is there. You can make other words also if you can. Show, yeah, show. Maybe some of you are artists, classical dancers, musicians, or something, or some show is important, like some Netflix show, some web series is important, or you will or someone wants to show off to you, like how much they love you, how much they care for you. And see, again the hero is here. The someone wants to run towards you, friends. This person wants to run towards you. They want to, this charm is coming very much. So definitely this person, things are moving quickly towards you. Pineapple is like focus on the happiness, and focus on the happy things, keep an open mind, focus on the sweetness of life. You have the letter numbers 12. And again, see, there is a heart inside this. My God, someone loves you a lot. Number 555 is here, 55 is here, and there is also 12. You also have the 444 here on this card. We have the penny, which has the queen on it. So definitely someone really values you. They take you as the queen or the king, or you take that person as the king or the queen of your life. Also, money is coming your way, friends. Some of you are looking for signs, like you are asking for, you have asked a question and you are looking for a sign from the universe. This is that sign, friends. This is that sign. You may find some feathers, some pennies. Money is coming your way. See, again, this is the trumpet charm. So definitely messages are coming, and they are coming very quickly with the speed of this superhero. Some of you were telling me this is Robin. I have no idea, friends. I have no idea. It could be a Robin. It could be a Spider-Man. I have no idea. I like to sing that Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So this is a dog. Yes, someone is very loyal towards you, friends. They are very, very loyal, and they are going to show their love to you. This is the heart. Someone wants to offer their heart, open their heart with you. There is also the cup here. So friends, someone, there is this lover. See, there is a promise of love. Someone wants to talk, someone wants to share. This is also about enjoying the little things in life, getting to know someone once again, keeping an open mind, getting to know someone, meeting someone over tea or coffee, and keeping an open mind. UK might be important, Europe might be important, April might be important for some of you. Let's see what else is here. The Six of Cups. Yes, this person is someone, your soulmate, or this person is someone you have known from your past. There is Seven of Coins. Seven of Coins is like you are waiting for something to move. You are waiting for something. It's going to happen, friends. This is a big week for you. You also have this, maybe the person you are dealing with is a physician, a doctor, or they are into fitness, running, gymming, marathons, or you are into all those things. Fitness is important to you and this person. Wow, you have the bottle charm. I have never seen my charms. What is going on? I think God only puts these charms. I have never seen this. Bottled feelings, friends. Bottled feelings. Someone is not telling you how much they love you. They are going to share that. And also, I feel this could be about a celebration coming your way. This lovers, or something, like when you open the soda can, the fizz comes out. So something is coming out, some relief, Maybe an argument can give you relief from emotions which were bottled inside. Someone is not telling you how much they love you, so they need to express that. Maybe it may happen in a moment of passion, or in during an argument they realize they love you, or someone wants to clear this air between you, clarify why they had a tower moment, why they fought with you. Don't forget to save. See, I think you should save your money, or I think there will be money coming your way, but still you should take some money to save it, because you have, don't forget to save. So it's nice to save. It's always nice to save a few things, especially money. You have dragonfly, so things are shifting quickly for you this week. You have the angel wing, friends, so definitely this is a very protected connection. It could be like a twin flame connection for some of you. You have the heart. Definitely, friends, this person wants to share their heart with you, definitely. And you have the tortoise, the sea turtles, actually. So things are going slowly, but they are steadily going the right way for you. There are also these leaves, so things are going to make sense, something like things are going to fall into place. This is like things falling into place. There is also this, I see you making some art this week, maybe some sort of an art. There is this rose here, it is a pendant. Maybe someone wants to tell you how much they love you and how important you are for them, because we did had the ring, the wedding ring charm. So there is this new job or business deal or engagement or commitment, or maybe you will meet someone that will become your life partner. So that is this rose about. This heart, this star is like wishes coming true, friends. You connecting with your destiny, your power, your goals. And there is again this flower. This reminds me of the twin flame connection, friends. Definitely you could be dealing with a twin flame this week. And what else? This is like the moon bead. So things, you have the moon bead, you also have the moon card. So emotions are a little high this week, and so take care of that, and you'll feel very passionate in your life, friends. This red bead is about Mars, passion and commitment. So wow, that's an interesting week for you, friends. Do keep your mind open and do enjoy this week lots. And that's it for now. Please do subscribe, like and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.